to Mama Lay's vlog, and today it's another vlog for me because we received LAZADA package. It's not mine again. It's for Chloe. It's a dog house. Kasi mahilig siyang matulog on top of dirty bed sheets, yung mga sulok-sulok. So kawawa naman, and I need to wash my bed sheets kay makalat na sa bahay. So here, I'm going to open this one, guys. It's a dog house. It's not on sale kasi kailangan na. Hindi na ako nakahintay sa 11-11. But I hope Chloe likes it. Look at that, guys. She is waiting for the package to be open. Chloe is so excited. Look at the face. Chloe! Well packed, guys. Look at that. And the little girl is beside me waiting. Chloe, are you excited? Tingnan nyo yung mga bedsheets ko. So I'm going to wash all of that today. Kasi nasistress siya. Pag kinuha mo yan, parang uneasy siya eh. Ito na siya, guys. I'm opening it now. And I will get the item inside. Ano niya, packaging niya, naka-cellophane na. Kasi malambot naman siya eh, parang foam. I'm going to assemble this one. Nanawag ihabol na niya ang packaging. Chloe! You are excited? Excited with your new dog house? Not yet. I'm not finished. Wow, so cute, Chloe. You're so cute. You like it, Chloe? Here. Oh, balon na din siya. Sulod na niya mga chinilas, yung mga toy. Siya rin nagsulod, ana. Na siya sa sulod, guys. She's inside. Chloe, you're so cute. Chloe, you like it? Oh, you're so cute, Chloe. You're so cute. Go inside your house. Look at that, the sleepers and the toys. Mamaya, lahat ng toys nandyan na sa loob. Siya yung magdadala. Chloe! You like it? Tambay sa loob ng bahay. So cute. It's so cute. This is large. Kinuha ko na yung malaki. Kasi lalaki pa yan siya eh. Para menos gastos na. Malabhan ko na din yung mga old niya. Yung old na bed niya. Tsaka itong mga bed sheets na nagkalat. She is sleeping. It's so cute. You're so cute, Chloe. Hello? You like it? You like your new bed? New dog house? That's strawberry dog house. Say thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Daddy. Wow. Tatahol siya pag tumatahol yung ibang aso. Kahit hindi na nakikita. Chloe, you go inside your bed. Your house. Go inside your house. Come on. Come on, Chloe. Inside your house. Chloe. No more dogs barking. Chloe, enough.